A wide variety of industries use hand and power tools almost daily. While these tools make jobs faster and easier, they can also be dangerous. Due to the dangers involved, OSHA has developed specific standards to be followed for workplace safety. Some of the most common hazards associated with hand and power tools are flying objects, loose electrical connections, and improper usage. One way to reduce injury is by wearing safety goggles and gloves for protection while using hand tools. Workplace floors should also be clean and dry to prevent slips and falls with or around hand tools. Before using any hand or power tool, employees should be trained on both how to use it and the safety precautions specific to the tool. The first thing to know is that employers are responsible for ensuring that tools and equipment are kept in safe working order, even though employees are responsible for using and maintaining them properly. This applies to tools provided by both the employer and ones the employee brings in their own use. OSHA guidelines identify 5 general rules to help prevent injuries when using hand and power tools. These rules include keeping all tools maintained, using the right tool for the right job, making sure tools aren't damaged before use, following the manufacturer's instructions for use, and using the right protective equipment for each tool. If a hazardous situation with a tool is found, it should be brought to the attention of a supervisor for immediate action. Now, when cleaning tools, compressed air should only be used for cleaning when reduced to less than 30 psi and with proper guards in place, along with wearing protective equipment like goggles. Certain specific precautions should be taken to ensure the safe use of tools in the workplace. All exposed moving parts of a tool, like a blade or gear, should be fitted with a guard that shouldn't be removed when the tool is in use or energized. Power tools like drills, grinders, and sanders must have an on-off switch that is either controlled by pressure or can be maneuvered with one finger for quick shutoff. Electric tools have their own specific dangers and should be stored in a dry place, used in a well-lit environment, and be plugged into a grounded receptacle with a 3-prong plug. Following these general guidelines for hand and power tool use is essential to keeping a safe workplace.